What's up guys, welcome to the finale of the Tacoma rebuild. In this episode we're going to get the front end of the Tacoma 100% complete, and if you remember from the previous episode we did some AC work and now it's blowing very cold air, and we also did airbag work in previous videos. So all that's left is the front end, so we're going to get that done.
Yeah, we also need to do the tint. This truck comes from Texas and they have different tint laws in Louisiana. So it's a lot darker. They have a 25% law for the front windows, and ours is 40%. And we may remove this because this is 7 inches. Louisiana only allows for 5 inches on the front. So we probably need to get all that removed to be legal.
So let's get started and finish up this truck today. Alright, I'm going to start off by removing the tint while my dad installs the headlights. I'm going to start by putting this heat gun and then using the razor blade to peel off the tint. And hopefully it's not as hard as the Monte Carlo was, because that tint was like 20 years old.
Yeah, I'm going to work on these. We've been doing some plastic welding on all these clips. Still have one more to go, but I want to get this one fitted in first. Then I'll probably JB weld this one on and put a screw through it, but I want to get it fitted. That way it's in the right spot. So let's get started, and hopefully this one will come out a lot better. Alright, Auxbeam sent us some LED headlights. They said they watched our videos and wanted to help out. So I went ahead, I wanted to do a before and after, but to change this one out is kind of tight, so I figured I'd go ahead and do this one while it's so easy. But this one here I'll change out once it's installed, and we kind of do a before and after with this one. But they give you stickers and tie wraps and all that to connect that, but we're going to do that in a little bit. So let's get these in, and then we'll get all this fastened up correctly. right, the only thing left to do on the headlights is this clip right here. Plastic welded this on. We're gonna get this fitted, and I'll put a screw through this, and then I'll put JB weld. Then this will all be tight, but even if I don't have it, this light is super tight anyway. But we're just gonna go ahead and do that. I'll do that off camera.
All right, now we're gonna test if the blinkers and the high beam and the low beams work. High beams work good.
You try the blinkers.
Blinkers work.
Looks like they good. All right, let's get the bumper on and then the grill. I'll get this wrapped up. I think this is the fog lights. Had to look at a video to see where stuff plugs in at.
And I'm not sure if this connects to the camera for our new grill that we got.
Yeah, the original one didn't have the camera, but we bought a camera from, let's grab it and see right quick. Let's see what kind of connection. No, that has these. So that's not what that's for. All right, the bumper we bought didn't have this bottom, I don't know what you call it, wind scoop or whatever. So we had to take that off our old one. It was good. Tyler's gonna put that on. I would just get one screw in first on that side and then get it lined up. Come here, Lexi. The girl's shedding bad. That winter coat's coming off. Need to brush her.
All right, we got the bumper on. It was a little harder than expected, but we still got some work to do. Like, kind of fix this a little bit more.
Yeah, I gotta figure out how this stuff right here goes. Get all this lined up right, and this trim piece should line up perfectly.
But we bought some of these plastic clips from Harbor Freight, so we're gonna put some on here because we were missing them.
Yeah, they all got busted from the wreck, so we threw all that away. We've been using this. It's good to buy a kit like this. I'll try to find one on Amazon and put it in the description. And it's good to have that because you always need them. So we think we need about 6 of them to get this on, and then we can put the grill on.
All right, let's do it.
All right, guys, the truck's 99% done. It came out super great. We still got a little bit of tweaking to do to get this fender to come in just a little bit more, which is not very hard, and a little bit more work in this area. But everything came out super nice. Very happy with it. Thanks again to Auxbeam for sending us these LED lights. Very high quality LEDs. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check them out. It was a fun series. Next video is going to be, we're going to start the modifications. The next one's going to be a little something to help keep people from stealing catalytic converters, so you want to make sure you check that one out. And if you're not following us on Instagram, you may want to do that. We update a lot quicker, and we will see you in the next video.